Hey, good morning. Easter Sunday. Listen, I know that you guys want to spend Easter with your family, but you all have got to set your priorities straight. Motorcycle is more important than your family. Your kids are going to grow up and they're going to leave, and then you got nothing. You've spent all your prime years Easter Sunday with your worthless, ungrateful kids. You need to start coming to Western North Carolina to visit on Easter weekend. All I can say is you're making a huge mistake if you're watching this video right now and you just wasted another Easter weekend with your family. Your family does not care about you as much as your motorcycle does. You need to understand this. I don't know what I have to do to pound that information into your head. Your motorcycle should always be the biggest part of your family and your lifestyle. Your kids should always come second after your motorcycle, or plural, motorcycles. Or you should have been like me, or if you're younger watching this video, live your life by this one lesson. If it's one thing that your parents have always taught you or tried to teach you, always use protection. Learn from your parents' mistakes. Always use protection. And yes, if you can see smoke in the video, there is a fire west of Andrews in the Topton area of North Carolina. There's been a wildfire this week. It's still burning. The smoke's kind of hovering. You can smell smoke, but it's not bad. It smells like it doesn't even smell like a forest fire. It smells like somebody's fireplace. I'll tell you what, it is weird having all the trees removed. This used to feel like you were riding through a tunnel with all the trees hanging over the roads. Now it's gone. I wonder when they're going to pave this. It's marked to be paved. Knowing the yahoos at North Carolina DOT, some genius probably suggesting that they chip seal this road instead of putting pavement down. Well, you know, Ernie, we save millions millions of dollars, and we can pocket that money ourselves if we just chip seal the road. We'll tell them up in Raleigh that we paved it, and all we did was put a light layer of chip seal down. The people in Raleigh will never come over to Western North Carolina and see that we're lying. Yeah, that's what I can see happening. Seen a lot of dead squirrels today. You see how busy it is. There's no one out today. Consider coming on vacation, if you don't want to deal with all the motorcycle and sports car pandalirium that happens here in the mountains, let me just tell you, holidays are the best time to come. Easter, Mother's Day, Father's Day is an outstanding time to come here. There is nobody here riding on Father's Day. Holidays to stay away would be Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day. Probably Juneteenth. If you guys are like me, I took a 4-day weekend for Juneteenth. I have got to celebrate. Just around this curve. What's around this curve? What is it? What is it? What's here? Deals Gap Motorcycle Resort and Store. Holy crap. I can't believe you came here today. But here you are. Deals Gap. This is what it looks like. I gotta get me some fuel. Hey. Thanks for watching.